change the background color of your slides is relatively easy, but to make them match some particular color, what you'll want to do is use the eyedropper tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got PowerPoint open. I've created multiple slides over here. The slides are blank, but this assumes that you have a presentation with multiple slides in it. So I'm going to go out and I'm going to use Google Images. In fact, let's open up a new tab. I'll click on Images. I'm using Google Chrome here, so you might want to consider that. And I'm going to match a colors for Centerville High School in Indiana. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I've got some pictures of Centerville, Indiana. I'm going to pick a color that would like to match. Now this shirt has some nice colors to it. Looks like that might be appropriate, or possibly the collar on the bulldog. But let's just pick this shirt here. So I just clicked on it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this image and just copy it. And I'll select PowerPoint again. Okay. Now I'm going to select actually, it doesn't really matter which slide I pick here. What I am going to do is I'm going to right click on this slide. I'm going to click Layout and then click Blank. So I got a clean sheet to work with here. And then I right clicked again and I paste it. So now I've got a picture here. And you say, well, why do I need this? Well, um, if you right click on your slide, then click on Format Background, what it'll allow you to do is to select a type of coloring. Now in this particular case, okay, what I'd like to do is first off, I'm going to create a solid fill here. Now what I should do probably first is come over here and select all my slides. So I clicked on that first slide and did a Control A because I want to apply this color to all of these. So I'm going to back over here to my format background. I'm going to go to color, I'm going to go to eyedropper, and I'm going to move my cursor around until I find the right color of blue. And you notice because of the way the light reflects on here, there are different shades of blue. So I'll just pick that one. Okay, so there you have it. Pretty simple to match a particular color. Now another option you could use is this gradient fill. Gradient fill allows you to put multiple colors on the slide. Now notice when I click that, it basically deselected these slides here and so on. So I'm going to reselect them. I'm going to come back over here to gradient fill, and I've got these little slide indicators here, and I'm going to grab hold of this guy. I left click and drag. I only want 3, so I'm just going to click on this one and then click to remove it. And then what I can do now is I can match multiple colors by clicking on each one. So if I click on this one, click on color, eyedropper, and we'll go over here and we'll pick a color. I'll pick this one here, color, eyedropper, and maybe there's a different shade here. Okay, and that doesn't look too bad like that. Okay, so there's how to do a gradient view. Now let's say you want to match these colors exactly from one slide to the next. One of the things you can do, so let's say I like that dark blue color. If I click on it and then click on more colors, okay, make sure the custom tab is selected, and then write down these numbers: 157 and 173. These are the RGB settings: 157 and 173. Okay, so let's say we want to apply that color to all the slides. So I'm going to do a Control A to select all the slides. Okay, and I'm going to go back to solid fill to make it a little bit easier. Okay, and now I'm going to open up the color again. I'm going to go to more colors. I'll select custom, and I want to change these numbers to 157 and 173. Okay, so now I've matched that particular color. All my slides are colored, and it's probably simpler to use one color, but if you want to add a little bit of pizzazz to it, you can make it multicolors using the gradient fill option. So there you have it. Good luck.